Okay, students, we were discussing the topic of essay writing. So I would like to go again on the. I would like to go again on the writings which you have sent to me, and let me share my screen as well so that you can see that how have you written down. Okay, if you can see a screen, there are a few students which have written down. So I'll open up, and I was reading essay of Taranpreet Singh. So I'd like to mention few points over here. Taran, you wrote nicely, but there are few things I would tell you to avoid these things. Look, the topic was intolerance among youngsters. Okay, but you have given answer in a way. You just explained here what is tolerance, and you just explained it at the up to end just about the what is tolerance. I mean intolerance. Sorry. So topic was not intolerance. Topic was intolerance and aggressiveness among the youth. So you see that you have written down everything, but if you will write down that in the final exam, so I don't think so you will be able to secure marks over here, because the topic you choose, that is quite different from the topic which it has been given. Because we need to see, as I told you, that do not be in a hurry. Try to first of all read that topic carefully, what it is telling you. So topic was on intolerance and aggressiveness among youth, but you wrote answer just on the basis of what is intolerance. So text length or the grammar, everything is fine, but we will consider it as wrong because you have not. Don't take it negatively. It's perfectly fine. You have written down. Then only you will get to know that okay, this is my mistake, and I can improve it. So I'm not deducting any mark. I'm just trying to tell you, and it is for the benefit of other students as well. So they need to see first of all that what exactly is the topic. Then you should start writing on it. Do not just go for the one word. All right. So let's see another one that is of Jaspreet Kaur. Youth in any country play an important role in its financial development. Plays an important role in its financial development and demographic evolution. Their population creates their population creates skills and labor. The population creates skills and labor force that replenishes a country's human resource. Youth also characterize age group that form the foundation of demographic regeneration. The way of bringing up of children and youth in our country has challenged and is further challenging. Okay, so it's an open end now, conversation over here. You all just read it and see that whatever it has been written, is it fine? And this is what we have discussed, that how we're supposed to do it. Just read that one. It's in front of you. So okay, you can read it from here. And now tell me, read first of all, then try to see what it has. Okay. So I'm muting myself for some time. Yes, guys, did you find anything? I did not hear anything. If you people are writing, what we are doing over here, we are doing practice of that we could improve together. I'm again repeating, it's not wrong or right. I could commit a mistake. I am also a human being. But what we are doing, we are trying to learn together that how effectively we can write on in our papers. Okay. So if you see at the starting, that is the first paragraph, which we call introduction. Youth is an country. In any country, plays important role in its financial development and demographic evolution. Their population creates skill and labor force. That replaces a country's human resource. Okay, youth also characterize age group that form the foundation of Brahma function. The way of bringing up our children and youth in our country has changed and is further changing. Okay, that is your introduction. Number of nuclear families has grown. With the result, children have become more isolated. Look, but what I try to see over here, you wrote just again same like Dharanpreet, he focused more on intolerance. You gave the example, or you took definition about youth, right? But you did not mention about what I should say, the exact topic. Topic was the intolerance among youth. So we just have an example that what is youth, that is perfectly fine. What youth power is helping, it provides skills and labor force. Okay, that's fine. Then you talk about the way bringing up of children and youth in our country has changed and is further changing. But I do not see anything relevant to the topic. You should start by writing this thing, that's fine, youth is this. Then come up to the topic, write down the topic. These days we are facing a problem of intolerance and aggressiveness among youth. And yes, I do believe this thing that this problem is increasing and creating a lot of problem in the society. If you are agreeing the statement, if you do not, then you should sit there. The problem of intolerance and aggressiveness among the youth is misunderstood. They probably are enjoying the rights of democracy, where they have a right to express themselves. So what I'm trying to tell that you at least try to correlate yourself with the topic. This is what is missing in your introduction, because you're supposed to talk about this is perfectly fine. You gave the background, like right when we have started and we discussed like how we're supposed to write down the introduction, we together came up to a conclusion. Okay, sir, we need to first of all explain the topic. So we give the background of it. Later on, we have come up to that we're supposed to write relevant. We're supposed to write something which is relevant to the topic. So in the both of the cases, what I'm seeing over here, you are not explaining, first of all, you are not correlating. The youth is this, that's fine. Then you should start correlating it with that this is a topic. Then you should start, you should mention down your viewpoint, that you are in favor of, you are not in favor of, whatever your views are. I told you that, opinion does not matter. Opinion, you go on wrong side or you go on right side, it does not matter. What matters here is that how well you are connecting your opinion to somebody. Think of this thing. A question it has been asked, same question in your group discussion, and you're sitting for the drive of emphasis, and they want to check that how many of you have good thought process. Topic is given, because that is a very important topic for anger management. These days, people are becoming short-tempered. So small things sometimes irritates us. For example, I can take example of this, that if I have taken essay of these two students, so might possible that they do not like it, because my motive is to show this thing that we all together sit down and try to see that what or how it should be written. But there is a possibility students whose essay I am showing here, they would mistakenly take it that I am pinpointing them. But I repeat many times, I am not pinpointing anybody. We are doing together activities all together, from my side, from your side. I am just trying to bringing you up to at one model where you all will write in such a nice way. So there is a group discussion, a question it has been thrown on you that aggressiveness and intolerance among the youth. So what is your opinion? You have given that what is youth here? Probably fine, but see that, but you never have talked about the problem, right, in your introduction. First of all, you need to introduce that into your introduction. Then we can come up to your what do you call body, right? So I know what happened. So I need to close this one. Okay, I need to close this as one. I need to close this as one. Okay, so let's come up to our next one. Let's choose. choose, 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 Okay, she wrote over here. Personally, I cannot say whether things will get better if we change, but what I can say is that they must change if they are to get better. Altering the way things are done in the culture is not going to make any betterment to the youth. Therefore, is not worth to be changed. Culture and tradition offer a sense of belonging and comfort and serves as an anchor that binds a person to his roots. Perfectly, very nicely it is written. But can you tell me, is this the introduction? Again, this paragraph, according to me, should come up in your body paragraph. Because you have started writing down or you have started clarifying your opinion. Once this stage it has come, it means you have reached at a level of body. So, introduction again, it is missing here, as I said. First of all, a background, right? It could be anything. You can explain what is youth, you can explain what is intolerance, you can explain the today's scenario, whatever you feel like. Thought process is not compulsory that everybody will have the same. My fingerprints are different, yours are different. My thought is different, yours is different. So it's not 100% that we'll have the common views. But one thing is for sure, once you will give your background, one common thing will be that you will answer the question. You will come up to, okay, yes, this problem we are facing. And I believe that the statement which is given over here, according to me, I don't think so, or I think so. So first of all, give background, then talk about a question, then correlate with that topic your answer. To correlate your answer with that topic. Try to answer that, this is my belief is, and this is what the question is. Tradition reinforce values such as respect to elders in our society. Look, these are all body paragraphs. And not go in detail to it. Okay, that's body paragraph, fine. In conclusion, very nicely. Look, this essay is beautiful if you see. One, then two, then three, then fourth one is conclusion. In conclusion, tradition should be guides. Tradition should be guides and not the jailers to the youth, and parents should also take a step and remind the youth of good morals and benefit that comes along with respect and tradition and culture. Fine. So she has come up with some conclusion, with some crux, and she mentioned that into the conclusion. I repeat again, it's not mandatory that whatever conclusion it has been made by Suzanne, you all will follow to it. Your conclusion could vary. Your conclusion can be different, but there should be conclusion. So what it is missing over here, that is your introduction, because I told you in my starting lecture, starting is tough, beginning is tough. So introduction, when you have to start, it should be very formal, it should be complete. You should have a background of that information, then you talk about a question, then you correlate with it. That will be an introduction, then otherwise the rest of it we can say that this is body paragraph and conclusion, of course. All right. Aditi, okay, you are quite active in the class, so let's read your paragraph as well. How did you start? The energy and of young generation. The energy and of young generation means there is some
By mistake, it was written.
problem over here. Energy of young generation has potential to change the energy and of young generation has potential to change and sustain country. We all know that youth is the future of any country. The future of any country depends on how the youth is educated, not just to earn, but also instill wisdom as well as morality. Today, our youth is so driven that everyone wants to do something big in life and achieve their goals by any means. For achieving their goals, they can even use wrong ways and shortcut methods for that. सिखा लो, it's time लगेगा मुझे. Okay, so uh, you also have written nicely, Aditi. It's perfectly fine, but to make it perfect, your introduction, you know, that should be more related topic. Try to see over here if I have not seen the question of the answer. Can you see that where I can find out that what you are answering? Don't mind, okay, first of all. Don't think like that, that is saying to me. I'm just trying to tell you because I'm trying to improve. Are you getting, am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Right, Aditi, you gave answers very nicely. That is more of the explanation. That's very nice. You started with this quote that energy of young generation has potential to change this sustained country. It's perfectly fine. So here you can add on something like that. So my question is this, if you will not have the question, it will be hard to find out the answer of it, right? Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir, right.
Sir, I upload my essay in class comment instead of PDF.
Uh, it's not clear. What did you say? Would you please repeat?
Sir, I upload my essay in class comment instead of
Okay,
PDF.
you wrote your essay in the class comments?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll find it. Okay, I'll find it. Just,
Sir, me too.
okay, I'll go over there as well. I'll go on our class comments. Let me first see this thing, then I'll see that there is Kiran Kumari, no attachment. Gulshan. Gulshan, have you written something? Okay. All right. Intolerance among youth. Intolerance among youth is a burning issue that the country is facing. Parents, teachers, even leaders of the country are bothered and concerned about the matter. Good. So, youth intolerance is a complex and changing phenomenon in our society, which is expressed in different ways on different occasions. There is a thin line between tolerance and intolerance. Very nice. Tolerant and intolerant attitudes constitute the extremes of positive and negative approaches. Respectively, education system can play a major role in not only understanding these extremes but also in providing ways for social transformation. Very nice. The youth is an important part of our nation, okay, who influence and shape the future. Therefore, education should not be restricted to classroom experiences only, but holistic and experimental learning needs should be promoted and encouraged, aiming at creating a better race of mankind. That's nice you wrote, but Gulshan, again, uh, your is more of uh, introduction. Now, in those paragraphs, somewhere your what do you call body paragraphs are missing. What I have seen here, I think I've missed something in Suzanne's. She has given examples as well. That's nice. I was reading somewhere. I was reading that she gave example of Japan, and she was talking about Africa. Why these are not showing to me over here? Suzanne, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Suzanne, did you write? I think on you gave the examples of Africa and you gave examples of Japan as
Yes,
well. I
sir,
think
it
I
is
had read somewhere. Am I right?
Yes.
Why is it not showing it to me over here?
Sir, it is visible in middle.
Huh?
Sir, in mid of
Right.
paragraph,
I
it
think
is visible now.
something just over here. Okay. Let's move on to the class comments. Right. Rakesh Kumar, Taranpreet, Gulshan, Gurkamal, Gulshan Yadav, Jaskirat Singh, Nitish Kumar, Suzanne.
Sir Gurkamal Singh.
Yeah, just hold on for a second. I'm just trying to find out that where did I, read that where she is mentioned down, but Japan and Africa. Oh.
Sir, she mentioned
In the
in that previous.
second paragraph, sir.
In second one. So did you write somewhere this thing again? Roshan Kumar. I just read somewhere this thing, that's why I'm talking about. I've read that you mentioned down. So my answer is to.
It's in the second paragraph, sir.
It's in the second part. So where is the second part? So you okay, you probably submitted two attachments.
The second paragraph, the fifth line.
Let me see. Where is it now? No attachment. So it is showing just only this like that. No, something is.
Sir, down, it is present here. Sir, scroll down, sir, it is present.
Scroll, okay? I did not get over here.
It's a second paragraph last.
Huh?
Sir, in the second paragraph, last mention example is there.
Second paragraph last.
Scroll up, sir. Yes, sir, exactly.
Yeah, that's right over here. Fine. The youth have the mindset that whatever the Western people are doing is right. But example, Japan is greatly doing well economically, but they still keep their tradition and culture. Look, this paragraph actually will give you, these lines will give you marks. Because you are trying to give your opinion on the basis of some statistics. So she took the example of Japanese and she is trying to explain over here that people from Japan, they are economically well. We all know this thing that they are technology wise very well. They are very much advanced. The world, whatever they see, maximum time it comes from durable things, it comes from Japan. But last line it says that, but they still keep their tradition and culture. Okay, so traditions are very good and need to be preserved at all costs. For example, that again she gave the next example. Kneeling down in African culture while greeting elders is a sign of respect. So what she's trying to tell, she's trying to correlate, she's trying to say this thing that, okay, my answer is right. Or my opinion, what I am quoting here, I'm not saying just for the sake of, because I feel like I'm saying it on the basis of, because I have statistics. Okay, but Suzanne's intro was missing. So we need to club all these things. Okay, Gulshan's intro was very nice, and body of Suzanne, Aditi, you people have written nicely. So now try to club it. I told you these paragraphs you should write down. There should be one paragraph introduction, then 2 to 3 paragraphs on your body, then the last paragraph for your conclusion. That is essay writing, which will provide you 10 to 15 marks. Okay. Kamal, in the present, intolerance is the state of refusal to acknowledge any belief system or ideas, as the angerness among teenagers get bombarded with the passage of time. Well, from my point of view, I think that youngsters should learn from the present, as in today's world, people have more understanding with each other. That's perfectly nice, but you just wrote one paragraph. How do I, find out that this is the introduction or this is the introductory paragraph where you are ending? They know how to survive in the world. The most prominent example of intolerance and aggressiveness is in this side is the partition of India and Pakistan, which led to many people's deaths. So I think that people nowadays have more calmness and tolerance power. However, media also plays a significant role in promoting peace, understanding, and tolerance. That's why in present people imitate what is shown by media and try to stay calm. So from my side, I think youngsters should learn from present. So what is your viewpoint? You are in favor of, you are not in favor of the statement. There is one statement which is given to you, and statement is asking you that what do you believe? Okay, you have started giving your suggestions that youngsters should follow this thing and youngsters should do this thing. First of all, you need to come up with this thing that from my point of view, I think that it's fine. Youngsters should learn from present, but first of all, tell your viewpoint. What do you believe? Right? It's like that I have asked you, what would you like to take? I have a pizza, pasta, and noodles. And you have started just talking about directly. You have not taken inside that I would take pizza. You would say that, the ingredient of, that green chili is very nice, in that my food. So I like to eat this thing. And cinnamon is very good. Then you talk about, you just started talking about what are the ingredients. But first of all, tell me that you want these ingredients in what? Pizza, pasta, or noodles? Where do you see that you will put that? Right?
Yes,
so
sir.
First of all, try to, in the introduction, try to take first of all the side that you are agreeing with the statement, you are not agreeing with the statement. Then this is your opinion. You made your opinion. You said that I want to eat pizza. Then in the next paragraph, come up with this thing that why you are wanting pizza. In the next paragraph, explain why your opinion is that you believe that yes, youngsters, they are intolerant, they are aggressive. Or no, I don't believe youngsters are not aggressive, they are not intolerant. Okay, one side. That will clear. Then you support the statistics in the body paragraph to your opinion. I gave example already that if there is a voting in one house, there is a discussion in one house about the voting. If I say that I don't like A party, I like B party, but your father likes A party, your mother likes C party, so you should have your own opinion. First of all, you should say that I like A party or I like B party. Now this is your decision, this is your opinion. Now support that I believe that B is doing this, B is doing this, B is doing this. So you are trying to prove that my opinion is right. So similarly in essay, first of all, take one side, take whatever you want to say, state the background of it, then discuss the question, then take side of it, because it requires length as well. I told you that if there will be length of 300 words, we need to see that as well. So we need to create more of length, more ideas in your mind. So background, question, then your side. It will be nice one paragraph of introduction. Then in the second paragraph, leave one space. The second paragraph, come up with how do you support that? Intolerance, aggressiveness is always a big reason of non-reasonable fight. People with intolerance, aggressiveness normally always have a problem for over-believing themselves. They usually don't want others to do mistakes. These are answers. These are not instructions. Try to understand. If there will be question for 15 marks, you would not get more than 3 to 4 marks out of this. You will lose your 11, 12 marks. Nitish, well, tradition and culture play a vital role in a country. Our history of culture reflects our tradition values. Okay, innovation is well known. Tradition idea in country as compared to past. So there are points which may cause in the past. In the 20th century, mostly young generation followers nation. Look, everybody is coming up to bodies. Just tell me first of all, whatever I have said, are you getting my point or not? जो मैं यहाँ पे आपको बता रहा हूँ, are you getting it or not? Guys,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I'm
let's
getting.
come up with a discussion. Aditi, are you getting what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
क्या समझ आया?
So firstly, we need
Yes.
to understand about the questioning.
What was missing in your paragraph, in your essay writing? What was missing? Just tell me that.
So I think I was not able to correlate the.
So in your writing, only introduction was missing. If you will explain introduction and then the text, the whole text, you would put it over there, it will become a nice paragraph. Because you connected with the topic. How? With the help of introduction. So only one introductory paragraph was missing. You started very nicely with the quote. Okay. Then you should come up with what is the question. Okay, background question, whatever. Pick one paragraph just for introduction. Then come up to support that. Okay. Yes, Suzanne, are you here? Suzanne?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what do you think? What was missing in your essay?
I think the introduction, it did not
Introduction,
clearly
right?
specify about the topic.
Yes, very right. So I hope you don't mind it, what I'm telling you, right?
I don't mind, sir.
No, fine. Thank you so much. Okay, Gulshan, are you here? Gulshan, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Gulshan, so what was missing in your paragraph? According to you, not according to me, according to you. Now we have discussed thoroughly that what is essay. What is an essay? So just tell me, according to you, what is missing. Your writing, it reflects more of introduction. So more of statistics, more of examples, more of correlation in the body part, that was missing. You wrote introduction, nice, that's fine. But the whole thing, it seems like more of introduction.
Okay, sir.
है ना, बात को मैं फिर हिंदी में इसको रिपीट कर रहा हूँ. I'm just trying to repeat it in हिंदी. बात को समझने की कोशिश करो कि सबसे पहले हमें अपना व्यू पॉइंट देना है. ठीक है, उस व्यू पॉइंट को देने के बाद हमें सपोर्ट भी करना है कि मैं ये व्यू पॉइंट क्यों ले रहा हूँ.
Yes,
My
sir.
favorite actor is Amitabh Bachchan. Okay, if someone has asked you, there are three superstars of time, Shatrughan Sinha, then Amitabh Bachchan, then someone else's, Dharmendra. First of all, give your opinion, then correlate. If I will start writing, उसकी एक्टिंग बहुत अच्छी है, उसके फाइट सीन्स बड़े अच्छे होते थे, हैंडसम बड़ा लगता था, उसकी ड्रेसिंग सेंस भी काफी अच्छी थी. कौन? तीनों ही अच्छे थे, है ना? So introduction will clear that how you will correlate. Then you will say that my favorite was this. Then you explain in your body that okay, I took side of this and now I am supporting my opinion. All right?
Excuse me, sir.
हाँ जी बेटा.
So will you read mine, please? I want to know where I lack.
फैजल आपकी आवाज एक मिनट क्लियर नहीं है. हाँ जी बेटा बोलना.
So will you read mine, please? I want to know where I lack.
आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं है बेटा, मुझे आ रही है.
So may I use chat box?
आदित्य आपको सुना क्या बोला फैजल ने?
Sir, he wants you to read his.
Okay, he is wanting to read his paragraph. Okay. Faisal has submitted. Seeing submitted. Suzanne, Sajid, Rohit. Faisal. Youth are the basic building blocks of a nation. Good youth means good society, and good society means good country. So, youth are the key. Find out how advanced a country is. But presently, our youth is losing patience and forbearance and becoming aggressive. This would affect the whole nation in a bad way. Look, that's fine. Everything is good over here. Again, you just started writing out on this thing. You know, for you, but presently our youth is losing patience and forbearance and becoming aggressive. So you just took this thing. First of all, introduce the topic. Okay, then try to take one side. Always mention down that what exactly is the question over here. But it's more than less, it's better than others because at least you took side over here. So it's clearing that, okay, you are on one side. So that's your viewpoint, okay. So that's the background. Baki students isko dekh sakte hain, it's good. So that's the background, and here he took one side that okay, he has come up to a conclusion that presently our youth is losing patience. But before that, I even want that you should say that I am in opinion of yes, today's youth, something like that, you know. So you try to correlate that what topic was, but it's good. Okay, then he has left the space. Okay, now I can see that this is the body. We know there is a tougher time for humanity when we talk about the present scenario. The bad times are increasing the ups and downs of the road of life, and we are unable to achieve something we want. It decreases the patience and increases the mental. Very good. So now here he started telling you the causes of it. That why this intolerance, why aggressiveness, why anger is coming. So it's quite agreeable that our youth are getting involved in this with a huge percentage and becoming aggressive day by day. They can't even handle even the things that can be tackled easily. Okay, there are a lot of things that could help our youth to get rid of this, and one of the best ways to take our attention to our culture and tradition. Very good. Culture is a feeling that never directs the heart to impatience and aggressiveness, and in fact pulls it out of this darkness. Nice. In the end, I pray for the situation to get well soon and advise the youth to handle and tackle their aggression with some precision as they need to understand their role of representation of the society. That's nice. I would say that that's nice. Yes. You can add on a few because you wrote very nicely. So मेरी hunger भी थोड़ी सी बढ़ जाती है. So you can add on something more over here, you know, by correlating that, you know, how have you seen? You can give example the disturbing example of disturbing videos. Because you all are reading newspapers, we are seeing the news is about. You can, for example, over here that few days back, there was one video which was viral. That one boy was killing one girl on the road with a knife, and he was stabbing her, I think, more than 30 times. He has stabbed her for more than 30 times. And he was just doing like that. It was like that. So you see the anger, you see the aggressiveness on the face of that person. So how he was doing, why he was doing, that is of course a question for the society, that where we have come up. So you can quote examples to correlate that why a topic has chosen of aggressiveness and intolerance. There are examples where kids are killing their parents. You can quote those examples. Everyday news papers are flooded with the news, like uh, kids are killing their own parents just for the cost of they have not paid their money, they have not given them the money, and family situation was not that favorable that they could give them money for luxury. So add something into it so you can make it more heavy. Try to add real life examples, or like the example Suzanne has added. She has talked about the example of Japan. She has given example of Africa. So you could also put down examples. Okay, not, it's beautiful, it's quite nice, I can say, but as I've told you that to make it more nicer, more good, so I just try to advise that you can add that also into your body. Otherwise, it's nice, it's good. All right, guys. So that's all from my side on today's lecture. Thank you so much all for joining it, and I will download your attendance because I have one tool over here. So if I click it, this one. So
Excuse me, sir.
yes, Betaji, boliye.
So you read
Yes.
my assignment yesterday, but you didn't say what I have to change
Okay,
in there.
Muhammad Sajid, let me read here as well because that was live going on, so I did not get a chance to discuss. Okay, intolerance and aggressiveness seem to be increasing among the youth. At present times, we need to learn from the tradition and culture. In present time, the youngsters need to learn from the tradition culture. Do you agree with this? Okay, this is a question. According to me, the above statement is totally correct. As we can see all over world, the genetic drift has happened, which is the main reason new generation quite different from others. Okay, again for you, Sajid, introduction it should be more elaborative. That's fine. You started over here that according to me, but that's the point where you have taken your side. Before that, you're supposed to come up with the background. So you come up as a lot of students have written down youth, what youth is about, or what is intolerance or aggressiveness. You just try to brief that point. Then you come up with a question. That question is of intolerance and aggressiveness among youth. So according to me, okay, this is what a side I am taking. All right, because you wrote question over here, but usually we do not require to write the question. Question will be into your question paper. On your answer sheet, we're supposed to write on the answer, right? Intolerance, aggressiveness are the core characteristics of the young generation in every aspect, as I am. I explained better. Okay, impression are very restless. They need everything. And okay, that's the detail you give. It is difficult to appear that our earnings like okay, Nirbhaya, all right. Example you quote, that's nice, that's good, but example of Nirbhaya with the intolerance somehow we can give, I won't say that, but aggressiveness you can add on here, but intolerance, it's somehow, we cannot say this thing here because that was example of brutality. They were brutal. That was inhuman. But intolerance means, I don't find any connection with the intolerance. Aggressiveness, you can say this thing. This is an example of aggression, and that's fine. To learn from their tradition culture because no other children will like that. Okay, that's good. That's nice. They have to keep calm and show respect to parents. Good. Okay, now you have coming up to the suggestions, so they could do this thing. Cross bridge whenever you feel like. Okay, good. That's fine. You gave here the suggestion, but at least what was the topic? You need to come up with this thing. You need to write. Your conclusion is also missing over here. You gave suggestions that could come into your body. Okay, that's what happened. But in a conclusion, but in the crux or in the end, in the nutshell, I can say this thing. Yes, we are dealing with this problem in our society, and there are various aspects we should look into. Family, tradition, education, society, everything, they should come together to solve this problem. Something like that, okay? So you come up with the concluding 3-4 lines where you say that, okay, I'm ending it. You cannot just end it like that. So there should be 1-2 lines where you explain that, okay, I'm ending. So let reader feel, okay, this was starting, this was discussion, this was conclusion. Right? Otherwise, it's nice. Good. Length is good. Paragraph segmentation is good. Even detail is good. But just for improvement, we can add few. All right, guys. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much for today's lecture. I have downloaded your attendance from this tool. It has come with me. So thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
You too, beta. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Need not to write your attendance over here today. I told you that the tool you were talking about, Jaskirat ma'am is having. I have seen that over here on my PC, so I clicked it, and after that, your attendance will be downloaded. Okay. All right.
Thank you, sir, for this kind
Okay, beta. Thank you.
suggestions.
So much. All right.